Today I'm cooking a simple and delicious steamed silver pomfret with soy sauce for dinner. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 650 grams of silver pomfret, wash, clean and score on both sides of the body, 60 grams of ginger cut into strips, 200 ml of water, 1 stalk of spring onions for garnishing, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/2 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking rice wine, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Start with marinating the fish. Sprinkle the salt and rub on the fish. Put the salt in between the cuts. And the fish stomach. Turn the fish to the other side and repeat. Alright, the fish is marinated with salt. Next, stuff the stomach with the ginger strips. This will help to reduce the fishy smell from the stomach. Lift the fish up and sprinkle the balance of ginger strip on the plate. Spread it around. Place the fish on the top. Now we can go and steam it. Put the plate inside the steamer. Place it on the pot with hot boiling water. Cover the steamer and set the time for 12 minutes. While waiting for the fish to steam, prepare the sauce. In the mixing bowl, add in 200 ml of water, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Mix until well dissolved. Alright, it is okay. Leave it aside. After 12 minutes, let's check the fish. After the fish is cooked, it releases a fishy water. Remove this water as it can cause a gravy to contain an unpleasant fishy smell. Lift the plate up from the steamer. Caution! Please be careful when doing this as the plate and the steamers are really hot and they can easily burn your hand. Pour out the fishy water from the plate and put it back in the steamer. Next, pour the sauce mixture over the fish. Cover the steamers and continue to steam for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, the fish is cooked and ready. The fish is slightly dry on the top, so pour the sauce over the fish to evenly distribute the sauce on the fish. Next, garnish with the spring onions, and the simple steamed fish with soy sauce is ready. For safety purposes, I recommend to lift the steamer away from the pot before taking out the fish, as the hot steam from the pot can burn your hand. Use a pair of mittens to remove the fish from the steamer. As for me, I am used to pick up the hot plate with bare hands. See, the simple delicious steamed fish with soy sauce is ready for dinner. This is best served with white rice. Let's eat! Oh wow, so delicious! The fish is super fresh and tender. It goes really well with the tasty and flavorful sauce. So lovely with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somchit. Thank you and bye-bye!